Hi, I'm Heidi from WTI. Do you suffer from neck pain or any other problems because of your neck? I know I do. And as soon as I tried this neck and shoulder relaxer, I couldn't believe the difference that my neck felt. This neck relaxer is so nice because it has different little nodules on it so that it hits different points in your neck that will help your neck feel more relaxed. Another thing that I love about this is that when you have it under you, it doesn't slip. It's that kind of material that actually just stays in place so that you have that comfortable position that you need to be in. I love the fact that it has this little swoop here so that if you put your head on the swoop, it's like you're being more gentle on your neck. Whereas if you do it the other way, you get more of a stronger feeling in your neck. I really love using this neck and shoulder stretcher. I try to use it every single day and it makes my life so much better. I still can't believe the instant relief that I have felt, but that's my point of view.